on its way into that government magayane thirikari na after thiko icio 10 tugucoka atwarĩrio horo wa coalition government
ne thirikari Eric Muranga na igwo kwina mathina maingi we murenda kuingira kuria kuroneka ta kurahe na no kuro maybe president arahuthira Raila gukorwo agietha ga solution ga kuhoreria maundu maybe akihope muthe ne gukorwo akiguithia andu nigetha makihorerie temperature cia siasa
maina nona Gen Z eno Gen Z yajiria 1997 nego the first Gen Z nego wa guciarwo ginya just the other day nego we have Raila Gen Zs, we have Ruto Gen Zs, we have Kalonzo Gen Zs. Someone should never cheat you. Ategotire Gen Z ya modo. There are Gen Zs who are pro Raila. Take it from me. Kogo kuga Gen Z is like
divide and rule. Maybe
it is the truth.
No, it's Gen Z is to pro people. We are not pro person, we are pro people. Gen Z is it is pro people, it is pro country. Patriotic.
Okay. Everyone has his own Gen Zs. Tell you the truth. When things come down to the wire, I'll wait for the party. Yes, they will go back. Gen Zs makona mena adwao na mena kwao. Iyo ni reality handu matenda gwitikira. And reke gwire na ne gwira muthurio very simple. Meeting ino rekekire haria yo ndaheana history ria yokire. Nyamwino ndege saino Raila atariho because he's party to it. All negotiations, sitting down, meeting with who? With Ruto himself to form an ad hoc committee. Kurehe andu aku no yarehe andu ake magaikara thi. It is so good and it is proper. Ogesaini bill ehutanetie na andu eri. Reke othe makome hau. It is just common properness. It's not about ate party rekirare hau. It is not a party, it's just common properness. Appropriation bill is the bill of the government. Raila was not party to it. It was created by the Ministry of their departments and under the Ministry of Finance and Planning departments. They created appropriation bill. It is not party to Raila, surely. Or go force Raila into other bills naked. This is party to him and me, Eric Ragalo, because I sweat and had tear gas and treated people who died under me. It is party to me.
Okay.
9 issues that were in ADCO, Nandai Kareta Agikura, some of them I'm not even party to. Like now, World Development Fund. I'm not party to it. Okay? It's not that NADCO is proper to me, no. But if IBC is proper to me, I want the Hena constituency, haha etago banga bahana nga badot yatago do area MP wa kuirete ene bangisa banisa kituka hiyo. I'm just trying to remember, banisa. Sorry. Banisa nego. Is it not important makona leader wao? Is it not important masoke gedura na makona MP? Is it not important for me? It is important for me, though it's not my constituency. Is it not important to get IBC negada keria Gen Z maredare to recall MPs who were not proper? Meto, I'm happy with that. Why can't we have a celebration? Because Gen Zs have won the first match. Which match? They have gotten the government to sign a bill. They na sign on your Gen Z, ne sign no. Totigo na panel ya kurehe ando. Panel ya hane atia Raila ya na idea uria panel agenda ekorwo. Gen Z re mairo gukoro atire Raila ne ya na idea. First match won. What can we do? There is an idea of this. Do we take it or we bash it? Okay. Maka discuss the issue. Okira kuhura Raila for no reason. Okay, Raila is finding his way to the government. Kiunekyo kiuma kioria gugaku. Guga yes and no. Yes is because we are all in the government according to the constitution article yugaga. We are in the parliamentary system. No way opposition na no way government. Na nikyo kwarutirwo leader of opposition in parliament. Etagwo leader of majority in parliament and a minority in parliament, which means parliament has no opposition. You can oppose in either side. Tene ginya dogia cross the parliament omwe mweno ogere odie mweno ori oge. Ogiomira mweno odi mweno ori oge ne wekatea. Na waruzi gete. Because you can be on this side and still vote to the government. Pasaris ndari vote na government he kire aneko ndaheana example njega muno na he rita riri last time ahurire yes guti kundu atwarirwo rita riri ahurire no aratigwo mwena uyu ungi niki
okay.
So the issue is there is no government that we are not. There is no opposition that the government is not. No, Anita. On a government can be part of opposition in itself. That is the constitution area to enayo. Ukoragwo ateru government faces Raila. Sorry kugwa ritwa riri ni wana. Raila no akorwo thirikari-ine na no afige thirikari. O toria Eric Mothe aroiga thirikari ni rekire wega. Na he de jikara haga oiga thirikari ndireka wega. Because that is a constitutional right. Riu ndroria atiriri. Raila arenda aheo ite igayo ona hindi ya Uhuru gwatuikite Raila ni arenda arathire handshake negetha aheo ite igayo Eric ya soja wa Raila miaka 22 niki kia Raila ndiri ndaheo ni ona no nyende Raila aigire thirikari o basi tondu murenda kumuforce heo giti tondu ndaheo giti guguthia atia you know ti wega gukoragwo thasi othe move ya Raila yoyagwo negative even when he means well na nikyo nginyare oigire atire wa iguru ni raia wituika Raila ndarenda muiretu urathie wega na catwalk ria gwatuikire ningi ni gwathi uguo ri he mundu wacokire TV kuga Raila no oi no you are right
na murori na utwariria utwire woni waku iguru ri ndeto ino iri ragitwarithio na mbere ni kurendeka riu tugie na conversation ka tuko tugikiaraniria tumenyorwo mahetwa andu 150 aya na nigetha tuthi tuikare thi no majenzi ni momoroiga ithu tirenda miario mingi turenda thirikari ikorwo ikiact tondu Eric na nituguka hau uhoro igi maybe maundu maria majenzi maheanite na ni wega uyu wa Iebc ni umwe wamo
ni na ni mawini
okay tugithira mbere na kwaraniria no wega no ujaririe kwitukira Facebook ama TV Kenya kuria kwa X kama MTV Kenya kana thina wa Facebook akwa maina kihumo tuga kwaraniria ne kwenda na tigo gitua cira kire ngoro gitire kia hotana na tuiga ne noru tutina kwiro thinje muhotani